In this video, I will show you where to watch MLB games on TV and streaming. So the first and the most easiest way is to watch on the MLB's official website. For that, open up any web browser. Then search for Watch MLB Match. Here you will get this URL from MLB.com. Click on it. Here you can see list of games, schedules and everything. Now right above here you can see sign up for MLB.tv for the season 2026. Click on buy now. Now you can see seasonal plan, yearly plan, or you can even access monthly plan from here. You can start your free trial or you can buy now, put in your details of credit card or PayPal, and then you can start watching MLB matches from its official website. The next way to watch MLB games would be to go to YouTube TV or Hulu TV. If you have the subscription, you can watch live sports from here. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.